In this video, I will show you how to animate a logo to reveal text in CapCut PC. First, add text and write whatever you want there. Change the font to whatever you want, and I'll also add a black stroke to the text in the preset style. Make the font a little bigger, and then add the CapCut logo to the timeline. Make it smaller and place it at the end of the text I added so that it covers the last letters. Add transformation keyframe. Reduce the size of the logo so that it is almost invisible. Press Shift plus right arrow 2 times in a row. Enlarge the logo a little more than you would like. Again, press Shift plus right arrow 2 times in a row. Reduce the logo size a little to create a bounce effect. Now press the right arrow 4 times and add a new transform keyframe. Again, press Shift plus right arrow 2 times in a row. Drag the logo to the left side just before the text, but be careful not to change the Y-axis. Press Alt plus K and in Scale, right-click on the first line. Select Cubic Out. Then do the same for the second line in the scale. Now open the section with the X and set quad ease on that curved line. If you don't understand what we just did, I recommend watching the video where I explain keyframe graphs. Close the keyframe graphs and click on the text. Then press Alt plus G to create a compound clip. On the timeline, set yourself to the 4th keyframe on the logo. Click on the text and go to Video, then go to Mask and click on Add Mask. Select Split Screen and rotate the mask to 90 degrees. Then move it so that it covers the entire text. Add Mask Settings keyframe. Now just slowly move forward on the timeline using the right arrow, and every time your logo moves forward, drag the mask to the logo level. Continue until the end. In this way, you have simply created a cool motion graphic with logo and text. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.